Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're focusing on BigCommerce store owners who are looking to supercharge their marketing strategies. I'll show you how to seamlessly install Omnisend with BigCommerce, allowing you to unlock powerful email and SMS marketing tools. Let's get into the step-by-step process, and don't miss out on a special discount offer for the Omnisend subscription plan at the end of this video. Integrating Omnisend with BigCommerce is straightforward, designed to sync your store data with Omnisend's advanced marketing features easily. Here's how to get started. Step 1. First, log into your Omnisend account. If you haven't signed up yet, now's a great time to do so. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard and find the Integrations tab. Step 2. Under Integrations, look for BigCommerce and click on the Connect button. This will take you to a page where you can begin linking your BigCommerce store with Omnisend. Step 3. Here, you'll need to enter your BigCommerce store URL. After you input the URL, click Connect to proceed. This will redirect you to your BigCommerce admin panel. Step 4. In your BigCommerce admin panel, Omnisend will request permission to access necessary store data. This includes customer info, order details, and product insights vital for crafting effective marketing campaigns. Step 5. Approve the permissions to let Omnisend sync with your store. The integration will then automatically start, and Omnisend will begin importing your data. This syncing process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your data. Step 6. Once the integration is complete, your Omnisend account will be fully functional with BigCommerce. You're now equipped to deploy targeted email campaigns, set up automated messaging, and much more, all streamlined through Omnisend. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully integrated Omnisend with your BigCommerce store. Ready to take your marketing to the next level? Check out the link in the description for a special discount offer on your Omnisend subscription plan. This is a great opportunity to save while enhancing your marketing efforts. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Have any questions or need help with the setup? Drop a comment below. I'm here to assist you. Thanks for watching.